When we talk about exercise frequency, we're talking about the amount of days you're working out or the amount of days you're working on a muscle group. Now, number one, understand the difference between frequency and volume. Volume is going to be how many sets and reps that you do for that move. And over a course of a week, you could have a volume of, let's just say, 100 reps. Now, where frequency comes into play is that we can split up those 100 reps into more than just one day. Rather than having an isolation leg day where you do all 100 reps right there, maybe we split that into 2 different days. Now, same volume, but your frequency has doubled and you're able to maybe give it more effort. Now, there's no reason to try to do a 4-day split if you can only work out 2 days. We hear a lot about these bro splits, which is kind of where that leg day came from. Legs, chest and tris, back and bis. These are very isolated ways of working on a muscle group, but typically DOMs, or that muscle soreness, only lasts for about 2 to 4 days. That means we should be able to hit that muscle group again at least twice a week, which is perfect because most people can find 2 days a week to work out. So whether you're trying to train 2, 3, or 4 days, which is up to you, we should be able to split up these movements so we can get more out of them. As your frequency goes up, you're gonna be more likely to give more effort inside of that day of training. By splitting up your workout, where you don't just do legs, but instead you do legs with some chest and back or chest and shoulders, hitting multiple muscle groups, this will allow you to stay fresh longer and continue to lift more weight. Frequency is very important for muscle growth. At first, as a novice weightlifter, once a week might show you some result, but eventually you're going to need at least 2 times a week. In my opinion, hitting a muscle group 2 times a week and a max of about 3 to 4 is the ultimate goal. 4 being a very, very high end where you're trying to focus on that muscle group specifically. For most people, I recommend that we do 3 full body days. Again, full body doesn't mean you hit every muscle group, but that across those 3 days, we hit every muscle group twice. From here, if you want to get into the gym more, maybe you're working on your chest or your glutes. You can do some isolation work on those days or just get in and move and have some fun. If you follow my Instagram, you know that on Sundays, I like to have Sunday Fun Day, where I just get in, move my body. It's not part of my program. It's not what I would consider to be training. It's just exercise. It keeps me engaged, keeps me motivated, and I have fun with it. I encourage you to do the same.